my beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Racnna Beauty, a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in FCT, Nigeria. Today's video is going to be a makeup glam, and it's going to be a no foundation makeup tutorial which you can rock every day. Without any further ado, please stick around with me in this video and let's get started.
I'm starting off by brushing up my brows with my spoolie, and I'm going to use my Davis eyebrow pencil in dark brown to fill in my brows. I'm not doing any too much shaping here. I'm just following the lines like so and bringing out the shape of my brows. I'm not doing any paparazzi here, so continue filling it in like so. Once you discover you are satisfied, then you can proceed in cleaning the brows. But once you discover again that you kind of overdo, like it's kind of too thick for your likeness, you can go in with your spoolie to brush it up. It will kind of reduce the eyebrow shading. This video is a step-by-step tutorial which helps a beginner makeup artist or an upcoming makeup artist that you are kind of trying to perfect your artwork. So it's a step-by-step tutorial for you. I hope you learn something from it. Like I said earlier, you use your spoolie to brush up your brows to reduce the thickness of your brows. So I'm going in with this Elegant Pro Concealer in pure beige to clean up my brows like so. I'm actually excited on how this makeup glam is going to turn out, because this is my first time of doing a tutorial on no foundation everyday makeup tutorial actually. So I hope this turn out great, and I hope you guys love it. Next, I'm using this Urban Decay Naked 7 for my eye. I'm only using 3 eyeshadow from it, and that's all. I'm going in with a dark brown. I'm trying to show it, but it seems I'm not raising my hand up well. So I'm using dark brown from the palette. For my crease, I'm using the dark brown, the first dark brown for my crease to define it. Even if it is an everyday makeup, I always want my eyes to be well defined and look as natural as possible. So after this dark brown, I'm going to go into a little darker brown to intensify the crease like so till I'm satisfied with the definition I'm seeing. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, guys. I want to hear from you. I want to chat with you. So let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. I'll really appreciate and love it very much. So I'm blending till it look seamless and flawless and natural as possible. I'm using only 2 dark brown eyeshadow for the crease, and since I want a natural looking eyes for my everyday makeup, so I'm using just 3 eyeshadow. So I'm going for that golden color, which is a shimmer eyeshadow for my lid. If you're the type that wants a nude look all the time, I think this eyeshadow palette is the nudest eyeshadow that I've ever seen. It, as in all round nude, all round nude. It gives you that natural looking. So if you are the type that don't want too much of flashy eye look, then this eyeshadow is your best bet. So next, I'm going into my Rimmel Party Queen gel liner to apply on my upper lash line like so. I'm not doing a wing here because it's a natural looking eye. Next, I'm using this red cherry false lashes in black, ash 623. This is my first time of applying lashes in my video because I used to apply it off camera in order to manage the time. And of course, the false lashes have been used before. I used it in my previous video. If you know how to handle your false lashes well, it's very reusable as many times as possible as you want. Finally, I'm done with the eyes. Yeah, let's move on to the face. So yeah, I'm applying this classic makeup mattifying face primer. I'm only applying it under my eyes and my T-zone since I'm not applying any foundation in this video. I think those are the very important area to apply the primer. So I'm blending it with my brush like so. And yeah, if you are the type that have blemishes, spots on your face, you need a color corrector. So I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer color corrector in orange. I'm just applying it on the spot area, then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender before applying my powder, concealer and the rest. Next, for my under eye, I'm using this Elegant Pro Concealer in pure beige for my under eye and my T-zone. Ensure you blend seamlessly and make it look flawless. Yeah, so next I'm going into this the Balm Cosmetic Concealer Palette. I'm going into the darker shade to contour my nose and my cheek. Then I'm blending it all out with my beauty blender before I apply my setting powder. Next, I'm going for this Usha contour powder palette. I'm using the darker shade to set my contour, and next I'm going to go into the lighter shade and apply it to where I did not contour and highlight.
Yeah guys, here comes the end of this video. I hope you love it. I hope you try it out because I'm loving it. I look like a queen that I am. Yeah, see my next video guys. I will see you all very very soon. Stay beautiful, stay elegant always. Bye guys.